Hi everybody, it's Jo from the library. This is our fourth and final craft packet for the fall season, owls. In order to do this craft, you'll need from home some glue, some scissors, and a paintbrush or something to spread the glue around, like a Q-tip will also work. And then in your craft packet, which you can pick up at the lower desk at the library or through drive-through, you will have a pine cone, 4 cotton balls, 2 googly eyes, a pattern with shapes on it, and 3 pieces of felt, a small orange piece, a white piece, and a beige piece. So the first thing you're going to do is cut out these pattern pieces. I have the owl's head, the face mask, and the wings. So the next thing you have to do is trace your patterns on the felt. And you're going to need 1 head in the beige, 2 wings in the beige, and the eye mask in the white. You could also do the wings in the white if you want, it's up to you. So we're going to trace these patterns and then cut them out. So I've got my head, the eye mask, and the 2 wings. And we're going to glue the eye mask onto the head. And you're going to cut a little triangle from the orange felt. This is going to be the beak. And the beak gets tucked under the eye mask. So you can just put a bit of glue underneath and put the beak down and the eye mask over it. And then we can glue on the googly eyes. And we've got our owl's head. Now we're going to work on the body of the owl. So with you've got your pine cone, and we're going to pour some glue all throughout the cracks. I tried this without using glue and it works too, because the pine cone, the cotton balls will stick into the cracks, but this just makes sure that it's going to stay. And then you can take the paintbrush or whatever you have and kind of spread it around and get the glue in all the little cracks of the pine cone. So once you got the glue all in the cracks, you're going to take your cotton balls and tear them up into little pieces and stick them in. So once you've got all the cotton balls stuffed into the pine cone, we're going to glue on the head and the wings. And there you have an owl decoration. I'll bet you have fun making this craft. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, you can pick up your craft packet at the lower desk or through drive-through, and stay tuned for more content in the new year.